In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import an N8n template, and we'll do it in just about 5 minutes. N8n is a powerful and flexible workflow automation tool that allows you to integrate services and automate tasks with ease. Importing a template can save you a lot of time and effort by quickly setting up a new workflow. So let's dive right into it. First, you want to open your preferred web browser and head over to the official N8n website. If you're new to this environment, you might want to take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout and find the login section if needed. The website is your starting point because it hosts the features and tools required for this process. Next, you need to find your way to the workflow editor. This is the area where all your magic happens, putting together various nodes to create customized workflows. If you're already a user, you likely have existing projects listed there. It's in one of these projects that you'll be importing your new workflow. Open up the editor for the specific workflow where you are planning to make your changes or additions. Now, once you're in your workflow editor, look up towards the top navigation bar. You should see a range of options available. Locate the 3 dots, often referred to as More options. Clicking on these will unveil a drop-down menu with various features to choose from. From this drop-down menu, you need to select Import from File. This option allows you to bring in templates that have been preset and saved elsewhere, usually in a JSON format. Before you proceed, make sure you have the template file downloaded on your device. As a good practice, always verify that your JSON file is from a trusted source to prevent any security issues when uploading it to your workflow. When you choose Import from File, a window will open, prompting you to select the correct JSON file. Navigate through your directories, find the file you intend to import, and select it. Once you do, N8n takes care of the integration, effortlessly adding the new elements to your existing workflow. After you've successfully imported the template, it's always wise to go through each step to ensure everything aligns with your current tasks and requirements. Make any adjustments needed, especially if variables or parameters need to be updated to match your specific use case. Remember, even though templates provide a rich starting point, your workflows often need tweaking to fit precisely what you're trying to automate. That wraps up our guide on importing an N8n template. It's a quick and easy process that empowers you to maximize the potential of your automation efforts. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more tips and tutorials on workflow automation and other tech hacks.